and I was just, who needs that Hermes bag at all? Everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, or welcome if you're new around here. My name is Eliza and thank you so much for joining me today for this video, because today I have something extra special to share and I've been waiting for it for a very long time, and here I have it. It's my new Hermes Kelly. I simply adore this one. Okay guys, I've been on the hunt for this particular bag for so long, and it took me quite a while to find an essay who I can trust, because it's such a headache to find this particular color. And as you can see, I have my Kelly 25 centimeters in a light gray color, which I simply adore, and everything about this bag is absolutely perfect. Let's just take a moment to look at this beautiful bag. As you can see, I have a shiny gold hardware, and this comes in an Epsom leather in this beautiful light gray color. I love everything about this bag. As you can see, it's absolutely stunning. Every single stitch on this bag is absolutely on point and perfect. So let's just take a quick look at the bag itself, and then I will show you all the teeny tiny details. Now, when I ordered this bag, I expected it to be a little bit bigger, because I expected 25 centimeters be like Chanel classic flap, but it's actually very similar to the Kelly Mini in a size 22, I guess. It's not a big bag whatsoever. It's very handy, a little handbag, and it's simply adorable. It fits exactly the amount that you need to carry with you every single day, like all the necessary items like a wallet, card holder, your phone, some makeup items, and even I think it will fit a bottle of water. I believe so, yes. As I mentioned before, the exterior of the bag is made out of very stiff and very sturdy Epsom leather. However, the interior of the bag is made of very soft, I would say even lambskin type of leather. It's very similar to Chanel lambskin. It's very soft and delicate, and I believe it can get scratched quite easily if you carry keys or something inside that can scratch the surface. So I would assume I need a bag organizer for this particular bag, because I don't want to ruin the exterior of such a bag. As you can see, it has two like slide pockets and one side zip pocket in here, and a big middle compartment. Like all of it basically is a big compartment, which I like. It can fit a lot of stuff, and as you can see, like, this bag doesn't look bulky, doesn't look big. It looks like a very nice and very beautiful like mini handbag. A few downsides to it that I've noticed so far. First of all, because it has a shiny gold hardware, and here when you open and shut the lock all the time, I believe the surface can get scratched very easily. And again, because I have plenty of bags with shiny gold hardware, I know the deal that these hooks can be also scratched very easily, especially the part that connects to the bag itself, and maybe even this flat part here, because you're touching it all the time, depending on how you wear that bag, whether crossbody or as a handbag. But I believe because of this shiny gold hardware, it can get scratched quite easily, although it's a very expensive bag. However, I'm not concerned about the exterior leather. It's very sturdy and stiff leather. However, another con to this bag is the interior. As I mentioned before, the leather is very delicate inside and it's very soft. So I would assume, and I would advise you, and I would advise myself, to get a bag organizer for this particular bag, because I don't really want to ruin the interior of the bag, because this is such a precious bag. Apart from this, I haven't noticed anything at all. Everything looks perfect, but shiny gold hardware and very delicate interior. This bag overall is quite sturdy, it's quite stiff, it holds its shape even if you put a lot of stuff inside. Compared to the Mini Kelly, it will hold the shape. And yeah, overall this one looks absolutely stunning, absolutely beautiful. Now compared to Mini Kelly, you can wear this particular bag 3 different ways. First of all, you can wear it on the crook of your arm, whereas Mini Kelly you can barely fit your hand in. Second of all, you can wear it as a top handle bag, which is quite elegant and so beautiful. And there is a third way, which is my favorite way. You can wear it as a crossbody bag, which I simply adore because I'm such a crossbody bag wearer, and because I like it so much. I'm 5'5", so this bag sits perfectly right under my waist, I'd say, and it's quite convenient. I really like to carry it as messenger type of bag when I need to access the bag to grab my phone, or the wallet is just right here, and I think it's super convenient. However, you can wear it like this, which is quite strange and I don't like it, but as a crossbody it fits perfect, especially in the winter time when you have a coat on. It walks pretty much like a belt. And also there is a fourth way to wear this bag. It's a shoulder type of bag, but I'm not that type of person. I personally don't like it, but if you're that person who likes to wear his bags as a shoulder bag, go for it. It's fine, it's not that heavy to wear on your shoulder, and it still looks quite nice, but I'd rather go for a crossbody or as a crook, to wear it on the crook of my arm. I mentioned before, in comparison to Mini Kelly, this bag is quite spacious, very roomy, and it fits a lot of stuff. Like I can put my wallet there, my cards, my car keys, even a bottle of water and some miscellaneous makeup items that I need to carry with me every day. So this is like a perfect size. It fits way more than a classic Chanel flap, that's for sure, and it's just the type of messenger type of bag. I really like it. And some time ago I was that person who didn't get all that buzz around Hermes bags, and I would even say, why would you need to buy an Hermes bag if you can have Chanel or Louis Vuitton? I didn't get that buzz, and honestly, when I've got my first Hermes bag, I was like, wow, that's the quality I'm looking for in luxury handbags, because I know a lot of people are currently getting upset about their luxury purchases from Louis Vuitton or Chanel because of the quality, of the leather, quality of the hardware and stitching overall. In this case, when I've opened the box and I saw my Kelly bag, I was like, wow, that's the quality. I really like it. Do I regret purchasing this bag? Not at all. It's such a stunning bag. Every single stitch is on its place. The quality of the leather is simply outstanding. Every single detail of the bag is just on point, and you know what are you paying for, basically. This is such luxurious, such a beautiful bag, and I simply love it and recommend it to add into your collection. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, give it a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and do let me know in the comment section down below if you have any questions whatsoever. I would be happy to jump in and chit chat with you guys, and as usual I will see you very soon on my next video. Bye guys.